Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically find pictures by using like pictures from your phone on Pinterest. So like searching in Pinterest using a photo, so like you can find similar photos to that, or maybe even similar like products to that. So select the search button and select the camera button. You can either take a picture or go to your gallery. I'm just going to go to my gallery to find pictures. I'm just going to choose this picture, and it's going to sort of find pictures that are similar to that. As you can see, some are a hit and a miss. As you can see, this one is the exact same picture, but a lot of them are not pictures of Taylor Swift, but it does find kind of similar concepts to the one that I have, the one with like flowers, as you can see. So this one is a similar picture to the one that I searched with. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!